Hi guys, today we talk about ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus. It's launched on November 2024. The dimensions of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: height 6.46 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.9 mm, and the weight is 229 grams. The build of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: it comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 89.1%. The resolution is 1116 by 2480 pixels and the refresh rate is 120 Hz with 1600 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's go to the platform of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4. And the GPU of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus is Adreno 750. The memory of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: it comes with 16 and 24 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card and no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 2 MP micro. And it's record 8K 30fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 16 MP under display. The battery backup of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: it comes with 5500 mAh battery and 165 watt wired fast charging. No wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. The feature and commons of Red Magic 9 Pro Plus: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, built-in cooling fan, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and stereo speakers and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus price is $899.